Having a Velcro dog. He's right there. Having a Velcro dog be like that.
Good morning.
Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
The most unlikely but adorable love story, The Dog and the Mailman. Who said dogs hate mail carriers?
What is he doing?
Look at the boldness of this little king. He's a good boy. He knows his dad needs a little extra motivation. The happiness of seeing his owner again is almost too much to handle. Your dog's sweet silent acts are a pure love clock, counting comfort until you heal.
Really?
There's a special kind of healing in silent company. Even a small act of love means the world to dogs. Give them a little, and they will give you a lifetime of loyalty. Doggo said, "I'll turn you into the lead of a Korean romance drama." And this is how she did it.
How 可爱呀！天哪！爷爷的乖宝。
This is what every puppy dream coming true looks like. Golden retrievers always acting like they need full custody of your personal space.
Hey, what you doing?
The most dedicated backseat driver I've ever seen.
This is a reasonable spot for you to be. Give you the duster.
The dog knew this day would come.
Don't get a pit bull. Unless you want to have your personal space invaded. Why are you getting in my mouth?
There's no bed warmer than Dad's chest. It's the safest place in the world for tiny hearts like this.
Don't bite me.
One more second of eye contact and the tears might start flowing. This is pure comfort. This puppy found peace in his owner's arms. That level of clinginess should be illegal, but we love it.
Hoy solo quiero estar con mi mamá. Tengo mamitis. Mira qué gustito estoy.
That little kiss says more than any words ever could.
¿Y por qué no te reí? ¿Por qué no te reí? Hay que reír un poquito. Hay que reírse, claro. Hay que reírse, muy bien.
Adoptamos a este perrito de la calle y mi papá lo ama más que yo a mí.
¿Qué? ¿Cómo primo?
After hours of playing outside, a good night's sleep with Dad is all he needs.
No, hijo, no.
Imagine being this loyal to someone's daily routine. Their need to supervise you has no boundaries. The contest for the best father-son duo. This cannot be judged.
Hi! Good morning!
Oh my, look at those eyes staring at us. Someone's definitely feeling a bit jealous right now. If happiness had a texture, it would feel exactly like this. Every wheel is just a ball in disguise to him.
Hey.
Dogs always show love when they can give you endless kisses. Love is often found in the smallest gestures, like this puppy gently caring for the baby in his own little way. Just by looking at his appearance, you can tell how much he is pampered. He loves his mom and the tiny life she's carrying, even before meeting them.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a...
This researcher was probably trying to analyze the squirrel's movements. Full-size dog, full-size cuddle energy.
What it all means. If the world was ending, I would be next to you. Time to smile. I don't even.
This is why four-legged grandchildren are always the most loved. Where there's a dog, love is always overflowing.
Шрек! 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 Шрек, ты где? Шрек! Иди ко мне! Иди ко мне! Шрек! 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 Иди мою морду.
He knows exactly how to hug and feels the warmth of every gentle touch.
POV, your dog and cat don't know how to share your love.
Boy!
What could be better than graduating with your best friend? To a dog, you're not just someone, you're their whole world. To a dog, you're not just someone, you're their whole world. Even a pit bull can turn into a child around his beloved owner.
You come to play with Wayne? Hey, just cut it off if you need anything, okay?
Two souls quietly speaking a language only they understand.
Love you. I love you. Rocky, I love you. Rocky, I love you. Rocky, I love you. You are, baby.
A beautiful moment when one protector meets the next little life to love.
E a frase do dia é: se você não pode ajudar, atrapalhe. O importante é participar.
So, you didn't have to work today? You was off? Huh? You still got a job, right? What's funny?
None of it's true. None of it's true. It's BS. They made it up. They lie.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you had a relaxing and enjoyable time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our latest videos. See you in the next one.